Okay, I'm going to explain front 3 in WarmUp1. So on this one, it says the front is the first 3 characters, and we want to return a string which is 3 copies of the front. And if it's less than 3, then it's just whatever is there. So in other words, if it was length 2, then the front would be the whole string, basically. No matter what, you are returning 3 copies of it. So here's one way to do it: is say, remember there's 2 cases. Either it's long enough to have 3 characters, or it's not. And so, I mean, if it is at least 3 characters long, then you need to capture the first 3 characters. Otherwise, the whole string is the front. Regardless, you're going to return that concatenated together 3 times. And so that's one way to do it. Or you can turn the logic around. And so, here I said, okay, if it is long enough to have 3 characters, I do that. Otherwise, I just capture the beginning. Here, I say, okay, if it's less than 3 characters, I capture the whole thing. Otherwise, I capture the first 3 characters. And same thing, I return the answer at the end. And then there's also this version where you don't bother to store it into a variable. You just return the 3 bits of code. Either the first 3 characters concatenated with the first 3 characters, concatenated with the first 3 characters, if it's long enough to have 3 characters, or just the whole string concatenated with itself 3 times, if it's less than 3 characters long. One more thing, notice up here I put braces with the if and the else. In Java, technically, you only need the braces if you're going to have more than one statement. And so it's a good habit to just always have the braces, but you don't have to have them in that case.